So my OOTD is my Shine Bright hoodie. I think I wore this a couple days ago. Don't worry, it's been washed. And then my Lululemon leggings, and I'm gonna put on some socks to like fix my hair and my face. So I'm gonna do that really quick. So hair is done. I did like a little half up thing. The makeup, I literally just did my eyebrows, mascara, and I put on some chapstick because my lips are super chapped. I didn't want to do like a full face, put foundation. This is really all I needed today. So yeah, and then I just threw on a vest. I can't believe today's the last day of 2017. That literally blows my mind that a whole year has gone by. So right now we are heading to lunch. So the restaurant we're at has an arcade, so that's where we are. There's a little arcade in the restaurant where I'm trying to win some tickets. I just filmed a New Year's resolution video, so I'm gonna try to edit that and upload it because New Year is almost here, so I'm gonna try to get that up. I know it's kind of late, but like we're gonna try to edit it. We're gonna try to film, edit, and post a video one day. So, but don't worry, because this vlog is gonna be posted tomorrow, so I won't have to really worry about editing this. I'll just start editing it tomorrow. Behind the scenes of Amanda's New Year video. Good job. So right now I'm uploading a New Year's resolution video, so I'll link it. Okay guys, this is my intro for it. Go check it out. I'm gonna link this in my bio. So it is 4:50-ish. So my sister is performing in this New Year's show. So we have to go head out to that. So it's basically my night. Then we're gonna come home, watch like the New Year's Eve special, stay up till midnight, and then we're in New Year. So pretty boring New Year's, but yeah. Charlie, oh he's so cute. He jumped on my bed. Hi Charlie. Okay, I'm excited for the New Year, but I'm also not, because that means our winter break is almost over. Like, we have to go back to school on January 3rd, so pretty bummed about that. Alexa, how many days till January 3rd?
There are 3 days until January 3rd, 2018.
So right now we are at the place where my sister's performing, and performance is about to start, so I'll update you guys after. So right now we're making a little run to Arby's. So at Arby's, I got a slider and I got some curly fries, which are my favorite fries ever. They are attempting the box challenge with an actual box.
Here's her box challenge. What was that? What are you?
Let's see if she's lip singing like she did last year. So we live in Central Time Zone, so it's 10:45 back here. So we still have, when it's midnight there, we still have another hour, so yeah. Even though it's not our New Year yet, because we live in Central Standard Time, but 4, 3, 2, 1. But we're still 2017. So we got some sparkling grape juice. So right now, there's only 5 more minutes left of 2017, which is so crazy. And in 5 minutes, it's going to be a whole other year, which I cannot believe. Alexa, what year is it?
It's 2017.
She's only going to be able to say that for like 2 more minutes. Alexa, what year is it?
It's 2018.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:18 a.m.
I'm still kind of like shook that it's 2018, like nowhere 2017. Like literally for the first couple of days on my school papers, sorry teachers, but I'm gonna be writing like 17. So sorry in advance, because I always do that because it takes me a while because I always forget. But yeah. Just look how ratchet. Like, what is this? My hair is so ratchet right now. So, just did my whole routine, I guess. Enjoyed today's vlog. Happy New Year. Wow. Still shocked that it's 2018, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, I know it's kind of weird, like, I'm sorry, I'm a boring person. But yeah, Happy New Year, guys. So I'll see you in my next vlog in 2018. Wow, this is gonna be my first video, excuse the ratchet hair, in 2018, so. Okay, guys, see you in my next vlog. See you in my next vlog. Good night.